Wet sanding: start sandpaper and soak it in a bucket of water. Wet the headlight surface and gently sand it in a horizontal motion. Keep the sandpaper wet at all times. Gradually move to higher grits to 1000 until the surface feels smooth. Masking off: use masking tape to protect the paint surrounding the headlights, ensuring you don't accidentally scratch or damage it during the restoration process. Buffing: use a separate clean microfiber cloth to buff the headlight, ensuring that all the compound is removed and the headlight is clear and shiny. Using main Zerna for 1000 for perfect finishing. Follow the instructions on your headlight restoration kit. To apply the included restoration compound or polish, typically, you'll apply the compound to a clean microfiber cloth and rub it onto the headlight in a circular motion. This step helps remove any remaining oxidation. And hazing.